Now come in lecture number 2. In lecture number I was continuing with the best, same I will continue in lecture number 2 also. Second point was we breathe in through our, we breathe in air through our nose. Next point is many other animals such as dogs and horses also breathe in air through our nose. Like us, many animals, okay, many animals such as dogs, okay, cats, horse, etc. breathe breathe air through their nose. Next is an earthworm takes in air through the skin, and fish breathe in air with their gills. There are many insects also. If you will take butterfly, if you will take the example of frog breathe in air with the help of its moist skin, okay, and butterfly do also same. Now when you will take earthworm breathe air through its skin. Fish has a special body, and fish used to breathe through its gills, okay, and plants breathe air through their leaves, okay. Fish breathe air through their gills, and plant takes in air through its leaves, which is with the help of stomata, okay. In leaves there is stomata, a small part, tiny whole part, okay, tiny whole part, that is known as stomata, and from that plants used to breathe. Next we will go, air helps to keep a fire burning. Air helps to keep a fire burning. Candle would not burn without air. Okay, means whenever there air helps to keep fire burning. Means whenever there is a fire in your home, so first try to switch off the fan, okay, because air gives more rise in burning. Now, like if you want to burn a candle, so a candle could not burn without the air. Candle could not burn without air, okay. Next point we will go, air gives things shape. Air gives things shape. So that I have already told you. What again? Air is needed to fill up and give the shape to the things, such as swimming tubes. I already given you example. Okay, when we blow air in swimming tubes, balloon, tires, okay, if then when we blow air in swimming pools, balloon, tire, etc., it changes their shape, okay. It means it gives So when we blow air in anything, okay, which can air can be filled, that shape will be changed. Now air helps to play musical instrument. Next is air helps to play musical instruments. Okay, we can play musical instruments such as flute, trumpet, and mouth organ by blowing air into them. Yes, trumpet is there. If you have seen a flute, we blow air, then it gives sound. Okay, so musical instrument such as flute, trumpet, and mouth organ. Okay, we can vehicles such as flute, trumpet, and mouth organ can be played by blowing air. If you ever use a flute, then when you how flute gives sound, when we blow air into that, then that flute gives sound. Now next is wind. What is wind? So whatever air it is blow, okay, when you go outside and whatever air you feel, that is called wind. Okay, moving air. Moving air is called wind. Okay, moving air is called wind. Wind. So whatever air it blows, that is called wind. So moving air is called wind. Okay, now we can feel the wind. We can feel the wind when it blows. Okay, until and unless air will not blow, how we will feel? Okay, like so whenever you are in the room, if you will switch off the ceiling fan, what after some time what will happen? You will feel hot, sweat will start to come, and when you will go outside or when you will switch on the ceiling fan, when you will feel air, it means that is in the form of wind. So wind makes the leaves on trees move and clothes on the clothesline sway. Okay, wind makes the leaves on trees move and clothes on the clothesline sway. Sway means to move and fro. When wind is blowing, and whatever clothes you have hanged out on the rope, it will sway. When wind will blow, it will go like that, to and fro. Okay, back and front, like this, to and fro. Wind makes a pinwheel spin. It moves a sailboat on water and helps in flying a kite. So wind helps in, it helps a kite to fly. Okay, it helps sailboat on water to move. It makes a pinwheel spin. So this is all about wind. Okay, this is all about wind. Moving air is called wind. We can feel when it blows. Wind makes a leaf trees move. Clothes on the clothesline sway. It helps a kite to fly. It helps sailboat on water to move. It makes a pinwheel spin. Okay, so your chapter 12 is over. Whatever questions is there, I will upload. Next class, I will start chapter 3 water. So for now, goodbye to